Oh, it's the lighting for me. Yes, ma'am. But anyways, what's good, YouTube? We're back with another video, and this time I think I'm gonna be bringing back up the prank videos. Hopefully this go right. Hopefully my car don't get messed up, because it's already barely making it as is. But we finna do the car wash prank now, as you can tell from the title. But yeah, the car wash prank, everybody knows when whenever, you know, we go through the car wash or whatever, we gonna act, you know, normal, and then I'm gonna roll her window down on that side, and she gonna just get wet. She gonna know it's me clearly, but I might do it like 3 times, depending on how wet. I don't know. I ain't gonna say it, but because I ain't trying to get my car already, you know, making it as we is. But yeah, I'm gonna record back when we get in our process and stuff like that. It's gonna be interesting. So we currently at the vacuum shop. I'm gonna vacuum this up. It ain't much really. It's mainly with dirt and stuff on this side that I wanted to get up, and in my back seat. I mean, I vacuumed not too long ago, so it ain't, you know, too bad or whatnot. This thing sucks. How it going? That's oh, there. You better pick that up. You act like it's
I ain't touching it. It's fully here on the side.
Oh no, you ain't talking. You done did it to yourself. You done did it. I wasn't gonna do it to you, but because my brush was on the floor, y'all, so that's why my hair was on the ground while she's sitting here trying to play me. Like I'm, I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, oh yeah, let's see.
You see your ass in it.
Yeah, I need to do my, see, I need a detail, a deep detail. I need a deep detail of my stuff. I had wasted some juice here, y'all. Okay, so we just finished the vacuuming, and
They're gonna be like, that ain't vacuuming.
So I guess since that is a short video, we're gonna go ahead and go to the car wash also while we here. I don't mind, my stuff do need to be washed. It's been a minute or whatever, so let's get to it.
If you let me, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe, we lost this shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone night. Ooh, way to deal, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit, good, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset. I can't lose it, just a man. Still worry that I wasted the best of me on your face. You don't care. Times I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Gonna make such a little change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, he was holding me to the right, but we'll pick up the corner.
It ain't no this black thing gonna be in the way, so. I'm just sending my car through here. Memories in this van. This is crazy. Wait, this interesting. You gonna have your back. Guess what? Oh my gosh, y'all. Yo, that was hilarious. Now your car have rinse. Look, I said that too. It was gonna be kind of wet, but look, you talking best, boy. You better. Boy, I said have rinse. You gonna wet my car? You paying for it? Know how much this tin cost? Yo, come on, let's dry up. Oh, boy, the water gonna fall in still. Boy. I'm just playing. It was just a prank. Wow. It was. And guess what? It was a success. She thinks she slid. She got that hand sanitizer and it stink. Ain't gonna lie. Y'all, she's talking about some. I said, y'all said y'all wanted me to do the water prank, right? She complaining. She talking about some. Did they say something on me? They didn't say on me. Y'all. But still, my bad. That's why I was trying to do it like this. I ain't want to be driving the recording, but I'm finna cut it off.